Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to prepare delicious noodles pepper soup. Here on my countertop is the end result. This noodles pepper soup tasted so delicious, and the recipe is so easy and require only a few ingredients to prepare. If you want to know how I came up with this delicious and tasty result, keep watching. Let's prepare it together. The ingredients we have for the noodles pepper soup are our pepper soup spices, scent leaf, pepper mix, which is a combination of sweet royal bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper and onion. If you watch closely, on top of the pepper mix I have mixed ginger and garlic. I just like it that way. I don't like blending my ginger and garlic smoothly when it comes to this recipe. I got noodles seasoning. The seasoning came with the noodles, and I am using 2 sachets of seasoning out of the 3 I got. You can decide to use all the noodles seasoning, that remains your choice. I got washed chicken gizzard. I always use warm water to wash my chicken gizzard. If you want to know why I always use warm water to wash my chicken gizzard, please do let me know at the comment section. For this recipe, you can decide to add protein or not. It all depends on what you want. I got minced onion and Scotch bonnet pepper, and lastly I got noodles, which is the basic recipe. Please do bear in mind that this is Nigerian noodles. You can feel free to use any noodles of your choice. Alright, next is the cooking action. Place a pan on the heat and add a little vegetable oil and allow it to heat up a bit. Add the minced onion and saute for some seconds. After which, add the pepper mix, minced ginger and garlic and stir to combine. Allow it to fry for at least 5 minutes before adding any other thing. After 5 minutes, add the washed chicken gizzard. Then stir very well to combine so that the gizzard and the pepper mix will mix very well together for a better taste. Afterwards, add 2 cups of water followed by the noodles seasoning. Stir to combine, then cover and allow the gizzard and pepper mix to cook very well for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, Virtuous family, let's check if the gizzard is tender. Yes, the gizzard is very tender to go. So now the next step is to add the pepper soup spices. Afterwards, stir to combine. The reason why I did not add the pepper soup spices earlier before now is for me not to lose the flavor. Adding it last will retain and keep the flavor intact for you to enjoy when eating the noodles pepper soup. As you can see, I've added the noodles already, and after that, cover for a few seconds for the noodles to separate from each other. This is very important. After 3 seconds, open, use your spoon to submerge them into the soup. By so doing, you will have enough pepper soup to eat or enjoy the noodles pepper soup later. Now cover and allow the noodles to cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Noodles does not take time to cook at all, alright? After 5 minutes, Virtuous family, look at that yummylicious. This is so great. Now let's add the shredded scent leaf to boost more taste and minced Scotch bonnet pepper. Do not allow the scent leaf to overcook to the extent of changing its beautiful greenish color, alright? On this junction, Virtuous family, our delicious noodles pepper soup is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we like and enjoy bringing them at your doorstep. If you do enjoy the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.